Akshaya. Good evening, Akshaya. Welcome to Filo. Hello. Hello, Akshaya. Good evening. Welcome to Filo. Yes,
Hi,
Akshaya.
good evening.
So you have doubt in this 11 number question which you have uploaded, right?
Yes,
Okay, okay. Just a minute. Let me read the question and then we will solve it. Okay.
okay.
Yeah. So in this question, it is saying that the area of a rectangle gets reduced by 69 square meter if its length reduced by 3 centimeter and breadth reduced by 2 centimeter. If we increase the length and decrease the breadth by 3, then the area will increase by 16. So we have to find the length and breadth of the rectangle. So both is visible, Akshay.
Yes, it is.
Okay, so let's suppose the length is x and the breadth is y of a rectangle. Okay, so
Hmm.
what will be the normal area of this rectangle? The normal
L
area of
into
this
B.
rectangle will be L into B, which is x into y. Okay,
Yeah.
now according to situation, it is saying that if its length is reduced by 3 and breadth is reduced by 2, means what? X
X
by
by
3
X.
and breadth by 2, है ना?
Y
अच्छा सॉरी
minus
यहाँ मैंने
2.
y minus 2 होगा या by mistake I wrote it as x. So y minus 2, then it will become how much? The area will reduce by 69. Means what? xy
Y
minus
minus 16.
69. ठीक है? Any doubt in this step?
No,
Okay. Now moving on to next, what it is saying that if we will increase
increase the
the
length
it
by
will
7
increase the length
centimeters.
by 7 and decrease the breadth by 3. Okay. So it will become what? X plus
X plus
7. है
7.
ना? And y minus 3. So it will increase the area by how much? The area will increase by 16.
16.
ठीक है? So these are the two equations that we are getting. Now after this, what we have to do? After this, we have to calculate the value of x and y. Okay,
Yes.
that's all we have to do. So let's first form the equation. ठीक है? हम equation कैसे
Okay.
form करेंगे? So when x into y will give you xy, x into minus 2 will give you minus 2x,
Minus 2.
minus 3 into y will give you minus 3y, and minus 3 into minus 2 will give you plus 6
Plus.
is equal to xy minus 69, right?
Yeah.
Now what happens? See, here also xy, here also xy. So those two xy will get cancelled. Okay. Now, if
Yeah.
I will take this whole term, this minus 2x minus 3y plus 6 from left to right, okay, then what will happen? Sign will get
And
changed, right?
yeah.
So sign will get changed means what? 69 was in minus,
Plus
then plus
plus
2x
2x
plus
plus
3y
y minus 6.
माइनस सिक्स इज इक्वल टू जीरो. ठीक है,
Yeah.
सो टू एक्स प्लस थ्री वाई. अभी 69 minus 69 and minus 6 means what? It will get added, right?
Yeah.
So it will become minus
And
and then 75 is equal to 0.
0.
ठीक है, this is the first equation. Now like this we will solve for the second equation also. Second equation says x plus sorry, here it is x plus 7 है ना?
Yeah, X plus
X
7.
plus 7 into y
Y
minus
minus
3
3
is
is equal
equal to xy plus
plus
16.
16.
ठीक है, so
Yeah.
when x get multiplied with y, it will give you xy.
X y.
X into minus 3 is minus 3x.
Minus
7 into y will give us 7y, and 7 into minus 3 will give us minus 21 is equal to xy plus 16. ठीक है, so same like previous question, here also xy and xy will get cancelled.
yeah.
Now what you will get? Again, if I will take the whole thing from left to right, then what happens? Sign will get changed.
Yeah.
So it will become 16 plus
16 plus
3x minus 7y plus
plus
21 is equal to 0.
yeah.
ठीक है? So in this scenario, what happened? 3x, here 21 and 16. When you will add this 21 and 16, you will get 37.
37.
Okay?
Yeah.
So 3x minus is equal to minus 37. I am putting it at to left hand side. ठीक है? Right hand side. So any
Okay.
doubt with this?
No doubt.
Okay. So now let me put this first equation also. First equation was here 2x plus equal to 75.
2x
ठीक है?
plus 3y.
So y is
Yeah.
equal to 75. So now we can solve this equation either by substitution or elimination. So for me, I basically like elimination. Okay, so we'll solve it via elimination. So what happened in elimination? We need to make any one term as equal. Okay, so for making it equal, I will multiply this first term by 2 and the second term by 3.
3.
Fine, so that x will get equal. So 3 into 3 2 ja 6x minus 7 2 ja 14y is equal to minus 37 into 2 means what? It will give you minus, this is 74, right?
Yeah.
Minus 74. Now moving on to next, 3 into 2 will give you again 6x. Then 3 3 ja 9y is equal to 75 into 3. It will become 225, right?
Yeah.
So now next step is to change the sign. Change the sign means plus 2 minus, plus 2 minus, plus 2 minus. Now what will happen? This minus plus will get cancelled and this minus 14 and minus 9. Minus 14 and minus 9 together it will get added. है ना?
Yeah.
हाँ. So 14 plus 9 it will give you 23, but here it will be minus 23. Okay, so minus 23y is equal to, then again 225 and 74. Okay, so 225 plus 74 will give you 299. Okay, again minus 299. Now what happened? This minus and minus will get cancelled, right?
Yeah.
So 299 is divisible by 23. Yes, it is divisible by 23 in 13 times. Okay, so I will cancel it. 299 by 23. So ये कट गया आपका 13 टाइम में. तो y की वैल्यू क्या होगी? We got y as 13. ठीक है, अभी हम लोगों ने ब्रेथ तो मिल गया, अभी लेंथ निकालना है. तो लेंथ के लिए अगेन किसी भी एक इक्वेशन में वैल्यू पुट करेंगे तो हमें मिल जाएगा, राइट? सो लेट्स सपोज equation was 2x plus 3y is equal to 75. ठीक है, तो instead of y what I am going to do is, instead of y I am going to put 13. Okay, so 13 3 ja it will become 39. Okay, so 2x plus 39 is equal to 75. So 2x is equal to how much? 75 minus 39, right? So 75 में से 39 minus करेंगे तो we will get 36. Okay, so it is 2x is equal to 36 means what? X is equal to 36 by 2, 18. So this is what length and breadth is. ठीक है, हम लोगों ने लेंथ कितना लिया था? लेंथ was taken as x which is equal to 18 and breadth was taken as y which was equal to 13. ठीक है, so this is what the final answer. And see, यहाँ हमें सेंटीमीटर यूनिट में सेंटीमीटर दिया गया है ना, तो ऑलवेज रिमेम्बर कि यूनिट बहुत नेसेसरी होता है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ भी आप सेंटीमीटर मार्क करोगे. ओके अक्षय, किसी भी स्टेप में अगर डाउट है तो पूछ लीजिए, मैं फिर से बता दूंगी.
No doubt.
Okay Akshay, so you are using this app for the first time?
Yes.
Okay. So I would like to tell you about the rating policy of the app. Now when the call will get in, now you will find an interface like stars, and when you will click those stars, it will turn to yellow color. Okay? There are total 5 stars. So if you rate 1 star, which means whatever question you have asked me, I have not answered your question. And if you rate 5 star, which means whatever question you have asked me, I answered your question as well as you understood it. Okay? Okay, Akshay. Then thank you so much, Akshay. Bye bye. Good night.
Thank you. Bye. Good night.